going on? I'm Steve. Hope you're doing amazing. Let's learn Hot Blooded by Foreigner, one of those rockin' songs from the 70s. And my wife told me to play it. She's like, you got to do some Foreigner. So here I am. Let's go right at it. It's in G major, and you don't need a capo. You start off with this palm muting going on there in the low part of the G major. Now you're going to want to use this shape. It's like an F major shape right here, like that. I do that because you got to go. So that is the 5th fret of the D and the G strings. And then you take the G string down 1 fret to the 4th, and this one stays on the 5th fret of the D string. So like that. Or you can just sort of lay your finger down, but you want to keep that note on the 5th fret of the A string. Back into the G major right there. Then you slide it up to the 8th fret, hit the low note, and strum the rest of that. So it's a C major, but you need the bar chord here, like that right there. And then lay this finger down again to that key note right there, 10th fret of the G string. So all together, very cool, like that. So it's basically the same thing in 2 places. And then you can go to a D major if you can get up here, up 2 more frets. So I'm just laying it down onto the 12th fret, back down there to a regular D major, or you can go like this if you want to, and then it goes G, F, C, G. And if you want to take a break from bar chords, you can do a regular G, F, C, you read my mind, all that stuff. Lay it on the line, and then does this. C, you want to hit the low notes, don't even try to hit the major, but I guess you could if you want to. C to D. Very cool right there. So you go C to D, bar chords, 3rd to 5th, like that. And now you go, take that same shape, go up to the 8th fret of the A string, right there, back down to the C major, back to the D major, and now go up 2 frets like this. So you're on the 7th of the A string and 9th of the D and G strings. Back to the C, and then do it again. Same thing we just did. And then it goes and gets right back into it. So it goes from right there, that same 8th position, 8th fret, and the 10th on those strings right there. Back down 3 frets to the D major, and then lay your finger down flat on the 5th fret, and go to the 3rd fret of the D, G, and B strings, and you're back into the G major. So let's do it again. Isn't that cool? That's a lot of fun. Love those little middle rockin' bar chords, and then it leads you back to the G major. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll catch you around for some more really fast 3-minute lessons. Later.